Hey folks, today is January the 21st. It's currently 6:20 in the afternoon. We're going to look at doing our Agimat EA week number 43 live testing update. If you guys recall, last week we had a pretty good week at 1.36%. Week before that, 1.17%, and the week before that we did 0.68%. So Agimat has definitely been running strong here. And I know in the previous video we had quite a bit of drawdown, so let's go ahead now and take a look and see if we were able to get that taken care of. Alright, so at present overall we're now up 73%, and if we come over here, this is last week's video. You can see the previous balance of 7,035. Let's see what the drawdown was. Dollars now, but we have $1,111 in drawdown going. So $1,111 in drawdown. Let's go ahead and jump in here. Let's just see what we were able to earn for the week. So it looks like for this week we earned 1.28%. So Agimat is continuing to go strong for us. And as you can see, we were able to close out all of our drawdown here. And I'm pretty sure we have a few trades open going into the weekend. Significantly less drawdown than what we had last week. It looks like 135 in comparison to over 1,000. So definitely glad that this drawdown got taken care of over this week. Hopefully next week we'll be able to continue to scale down a little bit of drawdown that we have right now. Even though with Agimat, there are typically always trades open. So that's kind of to be expected here. All right, so at present for January, we are now up 3.86%, which is very good here. And I believe we have 1 week left here. So yeah, we got 1 week to go in the month of January, and we'll see how we are able to close out things with Agimat. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead now. And as always, before we jump into the VPS, we'll take a look at the news for the week. All right, just making sure we got the right time here, or date rather. All right, so it looks like Monday, U.S. holiday, so not much happened there. Tuesday, not a whole lot happened, nothing in red. Wednesday, looks like we had, not seeing much on Wednesday either. We do have unemployment rate out of Australia. On Thursday, USD Philly Fed Manufacturing Index and also unemployment claims. And on Friday, looks like we had Canadian core retail sales. So not a whole lot as far as high impact releases. A few others that aren't high impact, but definitely can cause spikes here. All right, let's go ahead now and take a look at the VPS. Give me 1 second. All right, now in the VPS, we can see we got our smiley face up top. Let's go ahead and check all of them to make sure everything's running properly. And my FX book statement uploaded successfully. So everything looks good here. And as we can see, as always, with Agimat, we do have quite a few trades open going into the weekend. But as I stated a moment ago, our drawdown is only $141.18. So definitely happy to see that. And at present, our balance is $7,125. So this is definitely moving up exactly as we would expect it to. All right, let's go ahead now. I believe the first day of the week was the 17th. It looks like we got started right around there. All right, so a nice little 3-trade group. And as always, we know that Agimat does close out trades in groups here. And as we can see, looks like this is probably some of our drawdown from last week right here. I'm not sure how many trades this is, but it's quite a few. And we did have a $396 win and also a $118 win. And that's what put us into profit in those trades. Let's keep on scrolling down here. This $28.68 win put us in a profit from this little group here. Had a single $5.26 win. And then we had another large grouping of trades here. And this $54.14 win and also this $10.39 win kept us in the profit in this group here. So Agimat continues to do extremely well and has done so. I'm not even sure how long we've been testing at this point. Let's check back over here. So we're at, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 months now. So we're going on a year on our live account testing here. So definitely excited to see that. And we're pushing close to the 75% mark. So we're almost at a 75% return. And at $7,000, we should actually be trading 7 currency pairs, or I could trade 7 currency pairs at this point, where at present I'm trading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I could look at adding 2 more pairs, which would probably up our monthly returns, but we're steadily doing over 1% per week pretty consistently here. So I'm going to leave things the way they are for the time being, but I will continue to monitor other people's returns so that we can see which pairs are worthy of us adding here. Let's go ahead and check out how George did this week. He has 2 accounts here. So as we can see, this week he earned 2.28%. And this is his smaller account at 11,628. And we check his summary. You can see he has quite a few pairs that he's trading here. And we can check out his large account. He did have a bit of drawdown. Agimat was able to get that taken care of, it looks like. Very good. Very happy to see that. 3.41%, or what is that? $5,240 for the week. And for the month in this account, he's up 9.93% with a whole nother week to go before he closes out the month. And as we can see here, lots of currency pairs. So like I said, at some point, maybe after we get up to the 8,000 mark, I'll go ahead and add another pair just so we can keep things interesting here. All right, let's go ahead now, check out Kelvin's results for the week. All right, 1.19%. And we can see here 5 pairs. And this account size is currently at almost 7,000. All right, let's keep on going here. Let's check out Vincent's live accounts. All right, and as we can see here, stats. All right, 2.8% return for the week with a floating profit and loss of, what is that, negative 131. And let's come over here and see his second account. All right, 2.4% for the week in this account and $117 in drawdown going into the weekend. So it looks like everybody is definitely in profit. Glad to see that everybody. Let me see here. Actually, before I say everybody, let's go ahead now and jump over here. We only got 3 comments, but we'll see what you guys had to say for the week. All right, thank you for the updates, Larry. Lots of drawdown for sure, but nothing we haven't seen before. Even though the source is all from GBP USD, I'm happy that it's well spread out over many different trades, such that even if it were to continue to go against us and it hits internal stop losses, damage will likely be mitigated. Looking forward to next week. Happy long weekend all. Indeed. All right, thanks, Larry. This week my profit was the same as the previous week, 2.3%. Drawdown is 6.4%. However, during the week it reaches 13.5%. The drawdown is mostly from GBP USD, USD Japanese Yen, and USD CAD. Hi all, been running Euro AUD for 3 months. The profit has been equal to GBP USD and USD CAD, but interesting. Euro AUD. Let's take a quick peek over there at that. I'm not sure if that's one of the pairs I'm currently testing. Euro AUD, it is not. So that might be something to take a look at. Let's check over here. All right, so Euro AUD might be something we need to look into here, guys. I know some of you are already testing different currency pairs. I'm just going to see if anybody is currently using it so I can see how it's been performing. Euro AUD, not seeing it there. Let's check his second account here. All right, so this might be a new good one for us to test out. Euro AUD. All right, Tommy, if you have a MyFX book account, if you don't mind, shoot me an email with your MyFX book link so that we can go ahead and follow along with it. And I'll definitely look at myself, maybe adding that one in the future here, or adding it to our demo account and seeing how it performs for us. All right, I think that is everything I wanted to touch on. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to ask me. I'm assuming we only had 3 comments this time around because we had such heavy drawdown, and typically people don't want to, I guess, share what's going on when we are in a drawdown or in situations like that. So hopefully next week we will have more results to share, since everybody should be in profit, well into profit this week, and that drawdown should be closed out for you guys. All right, if you guys want to test out Agimat, make sure you guys click the link below to help support the channel. If you have any questions, just send them my way, and I will try to get those answered for you. And we'll definitely look into Euro AUD. Take care, folks. Hope you guys have a great weekend.